All your butt.
Well, this video is bone-chilling. A hooded intruder captured on home security footage while a couple sleeps on the couch below. This happened in Chicago. You can see the suspect at the top of the stairs. He stared at the couple for almost 15 minutes. They only realized he was there after the woman couldn't find her purse, prompting her to check the security video. Nothing else was taken.
Load it up and truck it. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done?